If you're tired of getting by one tank at a time with propane, now may be the time to explore the option of a permanent gas line. Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical is here to explain the benefits. I just had this happen the other day. We ran out in the middle of dinner and had to go get a refill.
Everybody does, right?
Yeah.
I've done that multiple times, yeah.
So I would imagine convenience would be a big reason you might want to install. What is this, like an outdoor gas line that you would do?
Yeah, so everybody's had that experience, right? Steaks, burgers, something on the grill, and the propane tank starts to run out, or after dinner and the kids are cooking s'mores or trying to roast marshmallows on the fire pit.
That would be a big bummer.
And run out. Yeah, that's a big deal. Have you ever tried to roast the marshmallows in the microwave? It does not end well.
Not as good, yeah.
Yeah, so, I mean, propane's great, the tanks are great, it's very convenient. However, with permanent fixtures that you know you're going to have forever, a long time, then whether it be the gas grill, the fire pits, or other uses outside, heating pools even, then you can run a permanent gas line from the home, just like that runs your furnace, your water heater, your gas stove, things like fireplaces. And then we can run that from out of the house, underground, out to where you have these permanent fixtures. Then you don't have to worry about the tanks, the exchanges, the running out.
And now, who would install this? Is this your electricians, your plumbers?
The plumbers actually do this work, yeah. Yeah, the plumbers will come and obviously there's some, we have to take a look at the meter and make sure that it's properly sized and can run everything. And then ideally, then you bury the gas line. So unsightly, very cosmetic. Don't even know that they're there. Just stub them in wherever you need them. And so we come and take a look at all of that, but it's very convenient and much more cost effective than having to exchange those tanks.
Yeah, would there be cost savings even down the line, just because you're basically just paying for your propane eventually, right? Right,
yeah, I mean, the cost of propane fluctuates, so, you know, sometimes it may be cheaper, sometimes it may be more expensive, but just, I think, probably less than a cost savings, more than just a convenience savings, a comfort, knowing that it's going to work every time, it's on every time, we don't have to worry about running out.
What about safety? Is this also potentially a safer experience?
Yeah, the safety and the cosmetics are certainly part of it too. I mean, obviously I think about it, the gas grill at my house, that tank sitting outside, you know, getting hot in the summer, things like that, or forget to turn it off. But just cosmetically, you know, just to have those lines buried, we don't have to worry about the tanks. Or what I used to run into was when it rains and those tanks kind of rust on the bottom a little bit and kind of stain the deck or the concrete, and having to clean that up, then all of that stuff just goes away.
So definitely aesthetically pleasing.
Definitely, yeah. The wife likes it a lot better.
I'm sure. So this is something we just need to call and have a conversation, see if this is something we can do. Yeah,
absolutely. Like we talk all the time, I mean, Gold Club members, we come out for free. We have any of these conversations, any conversation. We come out, take a look, and see what's possible, and then see if you want to do that, if that's worth it to you, or how to best lay it out and game plan for the futures.
Okay, great time to do this. Summer grilling season.
Summer's here.
And s'more season.
It's time to do it. And s'mores, yeah. Don't do the marshmallows in the microwave.
Thanks so much, Bobby. You can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrolephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.